Hello everyone, I hope you're doing amazing. Thank you for tuning into our channel and watching our videos. Man, do I love Arizona real estate. And I think you're going to love this Mesa, Arizona 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, beautifully upgraded home, which is priced properly, and that's important. My name is Sean Rogers, the lead of the Mr. Rogers Homes team, and we would be happy, actually honored, to assist with all of your Valley of the Sun real estate needs. Be it buying and or selling, renting, investing, upsizing, downsizing. If it's Arizona real estate related, we will help you. All you have to do is reach out to us. My contact information is below. But for now, let's take the tour of this beautiful Mesa, Arizona home. Let's talk a little bit about this community which this Mesa, Arizona home is located in. There's a heated pool, heated spa, pickleball, golf course, and it's close to everything. Look, all you have to do is call us and we'll set up a free, no obligation private tour. My information is below. One last thing, if you're thinking about relocating to the Valley of the Sun, please see the top comment below, click the relocation link, it will take you to our website. From there, enter a bit of information and we will send you a free and spectacular Arizona relocation guide. Okay, until next time, please take care. God bless America.